That's a great instrument, that one right there. See, that's as old as your time in Nashville then?
Oh, God. 67 is when I bought this guitar.
That's when I was born.
It's in great shape. When was the last time you tuned it before today?
Oh, God, I can't remember.
It's amazing. You just picked it up and it was sounding good. It's incredible.
I was tuned when it left the factory. I don't see why I shouldn't be now.
There you go.
That's what I tell the guys all the time. They get so upset.
Yeah, really.
They're cheating away there, and I go,
Yeah.
close enough. When's the last time you tuned that? I was in tune when I bought it. I was what, 67? Insult
That's
the
remarkable. It really is.
Well, I'm back in the bar rooms, right back to drinking again. Maybe someday love will enough to stay with me, and he won't be my best friend. Till then I'm back in the bar rooms again. Well, the bartender knows me. He knows how you done me. He knows why I'm back here again. And it's over and over. I try to stay sober, but look at me right then. I'm back in the bar again. Well, the bartender's pouring, the loud music's roaring. My shaky legs trying to stand. Oh, it's over and over. I try to stay sober, but look what a place I've been. And I'm back in the bar rooms again. Yes, I'm back in the bar rooms, right back to drinking again. Maybe someday love me enough to stay with me, and whiskey won't be my best friend. Till then I'm back in the bar rooms again. That's a Haggard. Used to be a guy come into the bar in Nashville all the time. His name was Leonard Sipes. So Leonard would come in and sit at the bar. Someday I'm going to be a star. Okay. Give me a Tom Collins. Drink it. Next day he'd come in. It's true. I got to be a star. Give me a Tom Collins. So one day he walks in and the bartender says, "Hey friends and neighbors, here comes the star, Tommy Collins." Bingo.
And he went from there.
Tommy saw, let's see. Well, deep inside this lonesome prison, where the pleasures are so few, where the walls are strong and the days is long and there's nothing to do, I learned to play the guitar. I'm doing the best I can. Well, I guess I could be worse, 'cause I made the prison band. I'm in the prison band. Well, we've got Nashville Bill on the doghouse brakes. We on the steel guitar. He's pissed apart the killing, where he drags a pretty mean bar. Back on the drum we got two-time Tom, our rim-shot tempo man. He knocked on me to cigarette seats, join the prison band. Lord, join the prison band. Well, I was planning to break since Christmas, after the details all worked out. I was going to go and leave, there's no doubt. But I had my trial Sunday, and the outcome changed my plans. I got a record for the Friday night show, made the prison band. Well, I'm in the prison band, and we've got Nashville Bill Billy on steel guitar. He heads to bar, tell him where Jack's pretty mean bar. Back on the drum, we got 2 times from our rim shot tempo man. And now I'm listening Rich join the prison band. Down in the prison band. So I'll be calling the song Prison Band.
He got famous.
Eh?
He got famous.
Oh shit, yeah, and there's some. Oh, shit. I do all kinds of shit. Just keep on remembering it. All kinds of stuff. Well, Richard Nixon was still president. Coke and Pepsi sold for 15 cents. I was so in love with Davis Brown. Well, the day that Porter Wagner came down, Frazier knocked out Foreman on TV. That was one main event I wouldn't see, 'cause people drove in from miles around. The day that Porter Wagner came to town. Well, Mama ironed my shirt, Daddy gave me his old cut. Well, I went down to Graceland and I took old Dave's son and stopped at the county line for one more round. The night that Porter Wagner came to town, well, 1,500 crowded in the gym, and I heard someone holler, "Hey, look at Sid!" That's when that crowd let out that deafening sound. The night that Porter Wagner came to town. On and on and on and on it went. Sped road smacked the city and Buck Grant. And how did they get Dolly in that town?